Good health, fitness, anti-aging, and wellness. They're all goals many of us reach for and actively pursue. Especially now in the era of COVID, building immunity and staying in shape has become more important than ever. This is Phuket, Thailand, and if you're thinking of a post-pandemic holiday, then this place should be on the top of your list. One of the first places expected to open here in Thailand is Phuket Island. And one of the key areas of focus for the government right now is medical tourism. When it comes to health and beauty, Dr. Orawan is considered one of Thailand's gurus. She established her Holistic Beauty and Anti-Aging Institute in 1988. Her philosophy has remained the same throughout the years, to harmoniously blend the best of Eastern medicines with the medical know-how of the West.
Ultimate is how to heal people without side effect is my aim, and every pain point is my homework to help the people. So I still continue learning because new things, new scientific proven for many kind of both alternative and the conventional treatment is coming. So we have to catch up with this to find the best solution for the clients.
Fantastic. So you never stop working, you never stop studying, you never stop investigating.
It's my pleasure. I feel enjoy when people cure from the problem. It's like the reward for my work.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have known Dr. Orawan for 2 decades now, and there's a lot to be said for putting your wellness and beauty treatments in the hands of someone you trust. Not only is Dr. Orawan a multiple award winner in this field, she has assisted scores of clients to recover from cancer, rejuvenate after surgery, and reverse signs of aging with breakthrough dermatology and laser treatments. Her Phuket Orawana Hotel and Clinic has now received the first ever COVID-free global healthcare accreditation for a holistic centre.
We apply for the Global Health Accreditation for COVID-free for medical travelers. So that's our aim, to open our country to be like a medical hub for people all around the world to come to enjoy their life and energize and healing here.
I saw the sign over the door actually. Was this the first place to actually get that accreditation?
First place for medical clinic.
Wow.
Yeah. But
for a
not
medical
hospital.
clinic.
Yeah.
First place for a medical clinic in the world, and that's here in Phuket.
That have GHA, the Global Hospital Accreditation for COVID-free.
Proof is in the pudding, they say. We were here to try the treatments out and experience firsthand what holistic care and anti-aging is all about. First, a quick tour of the Orawana Holistic Hotel. You can start the day here with a healthy breakfast prepared by the Orawana team. Now you've got to admit, this is not a bad way to start the day. From here, our holistic journey began. Just 10 minutes on the whole body vibration machine is great for detox and equivalent to an hour in the gym. I love a reflexology foot massage, and a treatment like this will improve blood circulation, help promote relaxation and better sleep, and relieve both pain and swelling.
Intense.
If you're not needle shy, then IV therapy is something you can do together. Grab a book and relax for 45 minutes while the IV delivers vitamins and instant rehydration. Relax time. Relaxing is also a big part of healing.
Some wellness treatments require you to do nothing much at all.
The salt lamps cleanse the air and increase energy levels. Among many benefits, they can also help with asthma, allergy, and mood. It was time now to explore Phuket. If you're staying at the Orawana Holistic Hotel, an obvious stop is right next door at the Phuket Boat Lagoon, a haven of restaurants and a waterside view of some luxury vessels. Not far away is the lovely Phuket town, famous for its beautifully restored Sino-Portuguese architecture and its great food.
One of my favourite places on the island, Phuket town.
Here is the Pearl of Andaman and very beautiful, and with, because of the COVID make the nature here, so it's more beautiful and more peaceful.
Now, if you're going to recuperate or rejuvenate in paradise, why not somewhere like this?